Hello dear viewers! Today I'm here with an exciting topic. We're going to introduce the top 3 drones in a video that will keep you glued to the screen. If you're into aerial photography or considering getting a new drone, you're in the right place, because today we'll be reviewing fantastic drones like the DJI Mavic 3, Autel Robotics Evio 2 Pro 6K, and Skydio 2 Plus. These drones are equipped with state-of-the-art features and offer impressive performance. Plus, we'll dive into detailed reviews to help you find which drone is the perfect fit for you. You won't want to miss this exciting video, so grab your seat and dive into the captivating world of these drones. DJI Mavic 3. This fantastic drone is a true treasure for those who love aerial photography. First off, let's talk about the DJI Mavic 3's ability to record 1K video and capture 20 MP photos. This provides you with crystal clear images, allowing your creativity to soar without limits. But wait, there's more! The Mavic 3 boasts an incredible 46 minutes of flight time, giving you the freedom to stay airborne for long. Additionally, with a transmission range of 5.1 kilometers, you can explore a wide area without worrying about losing control of your drone. And here's where the Hasselblad camera comes into play. With this camera, you can capture professional quality images with stunning detail. The vibrancy and clarity of the colors will truly captivate you. One of the best things about using the DJI Mavic 3 is its features like intelligent obstacle detection and automatic flight modes. This ensures a safe and easier experience when operating the drone. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic 3 is one of the best drones out there and is a perfect choice for aerial photography enthusiasts. If you're looking to explore the skies without limits, the DJI Mavic 3 is the drone for you. Autel Robotics Evio 2 Pro 6K. With its impressive features, this drone is ready to elevate your aerial photography and videography to new heights. First off, let's talk about its stunning 6K video recording capability and the ability to capture 20 MP photos. With this level of resolution, you'll be able to capture every detail with exceptional clarity. Now, let's discuss its flight performance. With a remarkable 40 minutes of flight time and an impressive 9 kilometers transmission range, the Evio 2 Pro 6K surpasses many of its competitors, offering extended flight sessions and the ability to explore vast distances. One standout feature is its 1-inch CMOS sensor, which delivers superior image quality, ensuring that your aerial shots are nothing short of spectacular. And of course, safety is paramount. With intelligent obstacle detection and automatic flight modes, piloting this drone is both intuitive and safe. In conclusion, the Autel Robotics Evio 2 Pro 6K is a powerhouse of a drone, offering unparalleled performance and versatility for both amateur enthusiasts and seasoned professionals alike. If you're ready to take your aerial photography to the next level, the Evio 2 Pro 6K is the perfect companion for your creative endeavors. Skydio 2 Plus. Setting itself apart with its artificial intelligence-supported obstacle detection feature, the Skydio 2 Plus allows you to safely navigate the drone without any obstacles. This feature automatically detects and avoids collisions by recognizing obstacles in the surroundings. Additionally, the Skydio 2 Plus offers the capability to record 1K video and capture 20 MP photos. This allows you to obtain high-quality images and capture stunning moments. With a flight time of 36 minutes, you can enjoy extended flights and cover wide areas with a transmission range of 2.4 kilometers. The Skydio 2 Plus also provides a range of convenient features such as artificial intelligence-supported obstacle detection, automatic flight modes, and smart control options. These features make it easy to operate the drone and capture the shots you desire. However, compared to the DJI Mavic 3 and Autel Robotics Evio 2 Pro 6K, the Skydio 2 Plus has a slightly lower flight time and transmission range. This may limit its ability for extended flights or covering large areas. Nevertheless, it still stands out with its artificial intelligence-supported obstacle detection feature and high-quality imaging capabilities. If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly drone, the Skydio 2 Plus could be the perfect choice for you.